Well, it's kind of a drippy day out here today, but I'm going to try to make this video anyhow. All right, so this is the power cord that I wired up to the fan that sits inside here. Blows cold air inside when the temperature gets above about 80-85 degrees, and I need to have more cords inside uh, because in here I'm going to have uh, seed warming trays for my seed starting, and I need a way to plug those in. So what we're going to do today is cut this cord, put a plug on it, put another plug on this one, and then I've got more cord that I can use to make extension cords with. So let's get started with that, and we'll get this thing cut up. All right, so we're gonna put this plug there and this plug on the other end. First thing we got to do is strip some wire. Put my knife over here. Open up this little toolkit. I just got this. So you guys are kind of seeing an unboxing and a first time use kind of thing. If I like it, I'll leave a link in the description. All right, so that's a case you can use right here. It's got grounding straps, tools for getting into computer cases and things. A few other little handy dandy little tools here. All right, we're not too worried about that right now. Let's see what's in the box. The box. Get the plastic off of it. Dispose of that properly. What have we got in here? We got all sorts of tools in here. I kind of like the way they've arranged it. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, let's see. I need... Let's try this Phillips right here. It's in here a little tight, but that's all right. I can get it out. Put it in there. And that'll fit. All right, so the reason I'm opening it up is so I can get a decent measurement what I need here. So, all right, I can strip it off to about there. Where'd I put the knife? There it is. The knife. Very carefully score the plastic around here. Not sawing into it, just scoring it so that I can do that and that and score it here and do that. All right. Green, black, white. Ground, hot, neutral. This is 14 gauge wire. So we'll put it on the 14 here. All right, we'll go one more. Gotta come out of that a little bit more. Need a little bit more insulation off of there. .16 gauge. There we go. One. Two. Three. All right. Put a little twist in them. Kind of stiffens them up a little bit. All right. All right. Let's try this again. Okay, so we got green. We'll get the neutral wire back in here. Goes on this side. Shove it down in there nice and tight. Ah, that's tight. Okay, we'll come over here to the hot side. And we'll get that seated way in there. All right, so now we can take this and fold it over to get everything tightened up. Get a screw started and get started tightening it down. You want it as much closed as you can get. Fairly well closed. Fairly well closed up. This serves as a sort of a seal. So that end's done. Let's do this one. All right. Good enough. And plugs right in like that. I'm saying the job is accomplished. What do you think? Think I got her done? I think I got her done. As for this little guy, not the worst set of small tools a person could get. Actually, it's not bad at all. Super cheap off of Amazon. So, like I said, I'll leave a link to it. Got a little bit of a nut driver set here. Got an adapter for sockets here. You've got several different bits. A lot of useful looking stuff. All right, so that's that. I'll leave a link to this down in the description. Nice little carrying case too. Not bad. Pick up the rest of my tools. Put them in the pocket. All right. All right, folks. Thanks. I'm going to follow my ass. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like the video. Please hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, don't hit the like button. Hit the thumbs down if you want. Comment. Yes, please comment in the comments below, because I do read every comment. I don't always reply, but what the heck. Anyway, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you guys later. It's getting a little too drippy to stay out here. All right. Bye.